as we know that the population of Meghalaya has been growing, so may I know what is the total number of unemployed in the live register of employment exchange as on 31st March 2023?
So as I said, that exact number is not there with me, but as I said, the percentage.
No, sir. I mean the number of unemployed in the live register of employment exchange.
So that number is not there with me right now.
Sir, one more question. So I would like to know from the Honorable Chief Minister the total numbers of consultants appointed by the government and how many qualified engineers persons from the state have been appointed as consultants.
So this is a very detailed question. I will not have specific reply to the number of consultants employed, but a large number of individuals have been appointed from the state and consultants, and large number of engineers also are there who are appointed. The exact number is not available with me right now, sir.